Let's try different types of sugar. Date sugar. And this is pretty much drying up dates and then blending it into a powder. It almost tastes like a date jam when your saliva mixes into the powder. 9.3 out of 10. Good. Also known as Jaggery, also known as concentrated cane sugar, and this is pretty much cane sugar that's boiled down until it becomes a solid. It's almost like a rich, savory sweet. A bit of that cane sugar flavor. And this is the go-to sweetener for a lot of different Pakistani desserts. 9.7 out of 10. Maple sugar. Maple sugar is made the same way, where it's boiled down until just the solids are left. It has that nice maple syrup flavor, but it's not as sweet as maple syrup. I can picture this doing very well on vanilla ice cream. 8.2 out of 10. Coconut sugar. This is made from the sap of a coconut palm tree, and then it gets boiled down until it becomes solid. It doesn't really taste like coconuts. It kind of reminds me of a brown sugar with a bit of a burnt flavor. 7.6 out of 10. Demerara sugar. Now this is also made from sugarcane, but I'm not exactly sure how it's processed because unlike good, it's not just boiled down until it becomes solid. It doesn't really have any flavor. It just reminds me of white sugar that's also crunchy. I'm giving this a 6.2 out of 10. Powdered sugar. This is pretty much just regular granulated sugar and then it's blended. A bit too much. Yeah, and it just tastes like any other dessert that you may find in stores, like anything with icing. I think this is also known as icing sugar. It's nothing crazy, but it's good. But I want to try making a master sugar. Yeah, it's a weird battle of sugars in my mouth. Master sugar, meet master salt.